Buen vida, I'm Anthony. Cetirizine dihydrochloride 10 mg Cetivaros, your ticket to allergy-free adventures. Cetirizine dihydrochloride cetirizine, no more itch and breathe with confidently sa cetirizine, available in syrup, drops, and tablet.
Again, citizen.
Second. Cetirizine dihydrochloride cetirizine, no more itch and breathe with confidently sa cetirizine. Tan pilit man din yung lengwa.
Breathe confidently. Kita yun, wait ha. Balik yun. Breathe confidently.
Siya naman liwit. Wait.
Kita yun. Okay. Citizen.
Cetirizine dihydrochloride cetirizine, no more itch. Ha?
Go.
Cetirizine dihydrochloride. Tampiyok.
Ulit. Go.
Yeah. Cetirizine dihydrochloride cetirizine, no more itch and breathe confidently sa cetirizine. Available in syrup, drops, and tablet.
Salbay.
Salbutamol Nebule, breathe all right with Salrite. Kasi dahil Sepsin niya. Sepsin ba talaga? O na include ba L1, Sepulax?
Dosi ko lang sila.
Dos kasi yung brand nila, di ba? Kanal Sepsin pati.
Sign. Dos septic sign.
Oh, pati L Sepulax.
Hindi sila equal MN.
Igwa lang.
Wala. Kasi alam ko separate. Ay hindi. Free your kids from infections. Take Sepsin drops and Sepulax drops. So, meron.
Cefixime trihydrate 10 ml. Cefixime trihydrate 10 ml drops your kids from infection. Free.
Drops.
Ah.
Free your kids from infections. Take Sepsin drops.
Cefixime trihydrate 10 ml.
Gila.
Cefixime trihydrate 10 ml.
Miligram yan lang.
10 ml. 10 ml. Cefixime trihydrate. Cefixime trihydrate 10 ml drops. Free your kids from infection. Take Sepsin drops and Sepulax drops. Psycough.
Butamirate.
Butamirate. Butamirate citrate 10 mg, 50 mg. Yeah. Butamirate citrate. Butamirate citrate 10. 10 kita nyo tamira kunal 10. Butamirate citrate 50 mg pampatulak. Psycough. Mag-Psycough is. Mag-Psycough. Psycough. Mag-Psycough. Butamirate citrate 50 milligram. Butamirate citrate 50 mg pampatulak sa Psycough. Mag-Psycough S, hatid kalma, hinga ng maluwag. Tanduling niya yun. Ambroxol hydrochloride. Extra cup with phlegm with Brox S. Available in syrup and drops. Budesonide. To brighten your day, don't let asthma play and stay. Make a way to inhale Rexonide.
Again, Rexonide.
Kilaya?
Ulit, Rexonide.
Budesonide. To brighten your day, don't let asthma play and stay. Make a way to inhale Rexonide. Nada pa man ngayon? May Cephalexin. Sign niya.
Okay.
For bacterial infection treatment, expel with Cepexil drops, suspension, and Cephalexin. The Cephalexin of choice.
Okay. Go.
Cephalexin monohydrate. For bacterial infection treatment, expel with Cephalexin monohydrate. For bacterial infection treatment, expel.
Expel it.
Cephalexin monohydrate. For bacterial infection treatment, expel it with
Expel it with Cepexil drops.
Cephalexin monohydrate. For bacterial infection treatment, expel it with Cepexil drops and suspension, the Cephalexin of choice.
Dela Cepulax. Yes, buhay na yan. Bumangon sa buhay.
Mga naman siya si disperta. Kasi kabakwan, buhay.
Buhay ba?
Bumangon sa buhay, gising na gising ka sa stigmatil. Yeah. Neostigmin, bumangon sa buhay, gising na gising ka sa stigmatil.
Lexibian.
Wala siya sino? Vitamin B complex for healthy you. Start your day right with Lexi Forte. A right start for a healthy body. For healthy you, start your day right with Lexi Forte. Vitamin B complex for a healthy you, start your day with
Wait na. Rest natin. Vitamin B complex.
Ah.
For start.
Vitamin B complex. For a healthy you, start your day with...
Ano dito kami?
Talo. Tatalita sinta ka.
Ay, trivia type. Compromise. Pero go lang.
Vitamin B complex. For a healthy you, start your day right with Lexi B Forte.
Okay. Ito, Bramizing ko sa TPS ko eh.
Aquel primero.
Meron. Fast relief. Tama SLMN.
Ito,
Meron na isa. Bla.
May SML. Sabi mo sila.
Area.
Taki pa mo mga clean detect ko. Tobramycin ophthalmic solution drops. Fast relief for bacterial eye infections. Optamycin.
Again. Masinay.
Sa sinay.
Dito boses up. Sama ni si. Sa totas.
Optamycin.
Nata.
Tobramycin ophthalmic solution drops. Fast relief for bacterial eye infections. Optamycin.